How to create a Discord server for friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually create a Discord server for friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to go ahead and then create a Discord server for your friends, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Discord application here. Once you launch the Discord app, just go about creating a server by just tapping and coming to the home page, tapping the plus icon, tap on create server and tap on create my own. Now right over here, if you want to create a server for friends, you have two options: for you or your friends, or for a club or community. So since we're learning to set up a server for our friends, we will tap on for me and my friends option here. Simply make sure to give our server a name, tap on create server, and our Discord server for our friends will get successfully created. This way you can create a Discord server for friends. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.